these old big old pipes here. And you put them down here, stormwater, 2 24s and a 30, 20 foot long. Already put them down here for some drainage. Got a 36 going across the driveway, 24 going across the street right there, that little clump of grass. I'm gonna tie it all together, put the dirt on top of it. Should turn out pretty good. Push all these sticks and all that junk back up in the woods there. That's what the homeowner wants to do. This right here, we'll run that 30-inch pipe right here. And it'll start picking it up right there. Other side, we'll run the 24s. And it'll feed on down through there.